Hi friends, today I am going to talk to you about past life regression therapy. Well, we all are multi-level conscious beings with various levels of awareness, ego states and various past life connections that we have ever lived. All these are actively at play at any given point of time. Now, when a past life regression therapist deals with his patient, he makes him go deeper into his psyche to understand the emotional and attitudinal matrix that he has created, and that is how he deals with his everyday situations. To make you understand easily, a person who has a negative approach towards life will find reasons for any situation and anything that is given to him. He will make sure that he finds some or the other reason for it. Something will go bad in such a situation is what he says. Now, where does it come from? All this comes from past life connections, past lives that he has lived, and he starts forming an opinion based on his past life connections. Now, when he undergoes a past life therapy, the therapist takes him to the root cause from where all this started, and that is when the therapist helps him to understand the situation that happened in that lifetime. Integration is done, proper closure is done, so that the patient doesn't carry the baggage that he has been carrying over so many years. After this session, catharsis of brain happens, and then he starts understanding, his mind starts understanding how an improvement will happen. This baggage that he was carrying was of a previous lifetime, and he need not be worried about it in this lifetime now. With this understanding and clarity of mind, when he sees situation, he starts seeing positive side of things and he starts improving. Now, the past life therapy also helps all those people who want to understand the deeper connection of mind, body and soul. We all need to understand that the evolving souls can improve this universe and can improve and create a better universe, so that all the beings that are living here can have improvement in their spiritual growth, so that they all enjoy each lifetime that they come on this planet. They all evolve better and improve on their soul gradient. I hope you all could connect with me on this. If in case there is any query or doubt, you can give me a call. I am Dr. Aneet Sahani from Noida. You can give me a call and ask your queries. I hope the session was a beneficial one. Thank you.